To operate the 325BU, tilt the machine into its resting position so that the pad is off the floor. Turn the key to the on position. If your unit is equipped with the active dust control system, use the toggle switch to turn it on. Squeeze the handle and the burnisher motor will start. Lower the pad to the floor and begin burnishing. Make sure the machine is in motion when burnishing. The 325BU has a circuit breaker for overcurrent protection. If you need to reset it, lift the battery cover and locate the yellow button in the upper left-hand corner. Press the button to reset the circuit breaker. To change the pad, make sure the key is in the off position. Loosen the handle locking knobs on each side of the bulkhead. Pull the handle out until it stops and then rotate the handle towards the front of the machine until it is vertical. Push down on the handle until it stops and retighten the handle locking knobs. From the front of the machine, grab the front lip of the deck and rock the machine back until it rests on the handle grips. Turn the center hub counterclockwise until it is removed. Replace the pad, insert the center hub and rotate clockwise until the pad is locked in place. Lower the machine to the floor and return the handles to the operating position. To charge the lithium-ion battery, position the machine on a flat surface near an electrical outlet. Unwind the cord on the back of the unit and plug it into the wall outlet. The battery charger will begin the charging process. To check the status of the charge, lift the battery cover and locate the light on the battery charger. A red light indicates that it is still charging. A green light means the charge cycle is complete. To remove the skirt, place the machine in the pad changing position. Push the skirt off the burnish head back towards the machine, lifting it off the pin on the back of the burnish head. Once it's disengaged from the pin, pull the skirt off the machine. To replace the skirt, lift it onto the burnish head and position it back onto the pin in the back. The skirt will fall into position and the unit is ready to be lowered back onto the floor. If your machine is equipped with the optional active vacuum system, to empty the dust bag, lift the battery cover and locate the dust container. Remove the hose cuff and release the two latches from the dust container. Remove the dust bag and empty it by tapping the side to ensure all of the debris gets removed. Resecure the dust container and reattach the hose cuff. If your machine is equipped with the passive dust collection system, empty the bag by first removing the bag cover. Slide the dust bag off the collection tube and open the zipper to remove the contents. Close the zipper and slide the bag back onto the collection tube. Reinstall the bag cover.